Hello everyone, welcome back to Dragon Software channel. In today's video, I will show you how to auto follow on TikTok. So this is my software. You can see first we have the account management. Here will help you to add and manage multiple TikTok accounts. You can see here I'm attaching proxy to this account. So each account will have a different IP. To auto follow, we will go to viral marketing. And here we will have many options. Is follow by profile. It means you will enter the account list here. It will auto follow. Or you can follow the person who liked the video, or you can follow by keyword. It means you enter the keyword here and it will auto search for this keyword and then find the account that contain this keyword and then auto follow. And you can interact with the account before following, like and comment to the random video. Okay, I will go to follow by profile. I will enter the account list here. To take the account list, you will go to data scanning and you can scan data here. You can know who commented the video. You can scan account by keyword, or you can scan any follower or following of any account that you want. Okay, I will scan the follower of this account. I will copy the TikTok ID and then I will go to viral marketing. I will enter it here like this. Next, I will set up the number of profile that each account will follow. Okay, after everything is set up, I will choose the account and then I simply press start. And then let the software do the work. There you can see we'll also open the browser like this. And it will start logging into TikTok and start auto follow. There. And we're using our own browser. It's the anti-detective browser and with proxy, so make your account more secure. There you can see start auto follow. So basically that is how I'm using my tool to auto follow on TikTok. If you need more information, please contact me on my Telegram or WhatsApp. The detail I pinned down below the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe to Dragon 2 channel.